Labeling wires on Goodman air conditioners prevents miswiring that can cause system faults or equipment damage. Good wiring starts with a plan. Before you touch a single connection, turn off power at the breaker and verify 0 voltage with a tester. Photograph the existing terminal block and control board close enough to read terminal labels so you have a visual reference if you need to backtrack. Use colored wire labels or pre-printed adhesive tags to mark each conductor at both ends and include the terminal designations spelled out. For example, compressor start, common, fan motor, thermostat heat call, and thermostat cool call. When you remove bundles, separate conductors into small groups and secure each group with a temporary twist tie so nothing gets mixed together on the bench. Route wires along existing clips or create gentle service loops to prevent tugging and to preserve factory strain relief. Before restoring power, double-check each labeled conductor against your photograph and against the schematic printed on the unit, and then power up briefly to confirm correct operation while standing clear. Common mistakes are swapping similarly colored wires because the installer relied only on color instead of labels, which you avoid by marking each conductor at both ends and matching to your photo or schematic. Another frequent issue is failing to secure loose bundles, which leads to chafing or accidental disconnection. Remedy that by using cable ties and preserving slack in service loops so wiring does not pull under vibration. People also skip verifying connections after reassembly and assume things are correct, so always perform a step-by-step power-up check, monitor for unusual sounds or error codes, and recheck any circuit that does not behave as expected. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to make finding help for wiring and other mechanical projects straightforward for both sides. Our community discussion boards let members ask practical questions, share photos, and get neighborhood perspectives while we help contractors find work and homeowners find reliable local options.